You gonna paint it today, buddy?
Yep.
Hell yeah, dude.
I'm just doing the door jams right now, and then I'm gonna tape it all up and then do the car.
That's pretty much how it's gonna look like, but on the whole car, it's gonna look so clean. Marcel, buddy.
Yes.
Color looks insane, dude.
No, you gotta get that one. This is the shitty one.
Nah, yeah, I know. I'm telling you that. I'm telling you, it looks insane, bro.
Yeah.
It's gonna be on the whole car.
Hell yeah. That's only like 1.5 coats, I think. And then, yeah. And after that, I still gotta wet sand it. Buff it out and all that stuff. All the good shit.
Yeah, I really don't think the video does justice. I might have to see it once it's on the computer, but yeah, I don't think so.
Unless you have a flashlight. Oh. Oh, your snap-on. My flashlight.
My snap-on.
My sneap-on.
Fuck, that's so sick.
Do you see it or not?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Dude, that really that looks crazy, dude. Got so much sparkle to it.
And not even that, like, this isn't even like color sanding or anything.
Yeah, yeah. That's just bare.
One coat, no color sand.
Yep.
Andy, if you ever see this, just know you a baby back bitch. And I love you. And you cute.
Alright guys, so this is the current setup. Marcel plus saran wrap all around.
And it ghetto, but it'll do.
Because, you know, those flies, like, they're attracted to paint. I don't know why.
He said, click on.
So right now Marcel is, you know, just wiping down this whole side of the car. And he's gonna get down.
He's gonna get down.
It's gonna look so clean, dude. Oh, hey, buddy.
Hey, you're strong, dude.
Hey, Jesus. If you were a neighbor, right?
Yeah.
And you peeked over, you know, your backyard, you know, and you saw this, what would you assume is going down?
Yeah, meth lab, basically. And then I see closer and I'd be like, "Ooh, is that a Domani front end?"
Imagine. He said, "Ooh,
is that a Domani?" Yep, I'm gonna need to buy some more of this.
What time Smitty's close?
Smitty's, they close at 5, I believe.
What up near?
I know they close.
Yeah.
Bro, I feel like we're all doctors and we're just standing around a patient right now.
Speak for yourself, bitch. I look like Cell.
Cell?
Cell. Stage 1 cell before the abortion.
Alright, me and Marcel about to go to the store real quick. He needs some more reducer. And we'll be right back. And yeah, hey buddy. So I already undid the latches. It's a pretty nice day out. Everything what I'm thinking? Everything what I'm thinking?
You gonna drop this motherfucker.
Lately, guys, it's been cold as fuck, so it's nice to be able to put it down and actually enjoy this weather. So let's get it. All right, guys, we're finally back. How much time did we spend? I'm gonna
Light out.
It was almost. I want to say
I think it was like 2 o'clock.
Yeah,
Like a good hour and a half
my more.
to find nothing.
So, guys, we didn't even know this, but I guess acrylic enamel is banned from California. So,
We're in Mexico now.
we're in Mexico right now. We had to come find some acrylic enamel reducer because they don't carry it because acrylic enamel paint's not even a thing here. So, yeah, we need a lot of searching and that took forever. But we're back and almost out of daylight.
But.
Man, today or tomorrow, dude.
Oh. Bro, what the fuck that little flashlight gonna do on this big ass car?
He said,
Yeah, that's pretty bright. It's not even dark yet. What was that? Snapper?
Snap on.
Sneap on?
It's the Streamlight Stinger LED.
Sneap on? Oh, you're so fancy.
It's when you a big boy.
Oh.
You're paying the strip too, right?
yeah. Okay, cool.
It went away?
Yeah. Because the metallic was the pearl was like sitting over like woman's body.
Yeah. Hey, do you guys want to smoke tonight?
I don't even hate under it.
I'll probably paint the wheels maybe Sunday. I'm just gonna buy some like Doobie color from AutoZone or something.
Yeah.
I still have the sand machine.
Oh, there it goes.
I still don't know the color on my wheels.
Well, I got a gun.
I keep.
Oh,
That's all you got left?
no, I have some more left. I'm just gonna put a shitload of reducer in. So much for. Leave me alone.
So what's going on, buddy?
I'm mad.
Why?
Like I said earlier, I'm still mad.
Why?
Because I wasted a shitload of paint testing, and since I went the cheap route, you can't find this paint in a normal paint store. I mean, you can, but you can't find the reducer or anything. So I did some research on the internet, got this. Hopefully I can do this. I'm only able to do one coat. And yeah.
Alright guys, so it's already dark, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna end off the video here or actually I'm gonna just wait till tomorrow and I'm gonna show you guys a better look at it, you know, with the actual sunlight, because, you know, right now obviously it doesn't do it justice and I'm not trying to give you guys a dark video. So yeah, we'll be right back tomorrow and I'll show you guys what this shit really looked like, because it's clean, man. It's clean. Right, Joseph?
Yeah, that's badass, dude.
Huh? So, bro. Alright, guys, it's the next day, and Marcel's sanding the car. So, yeah, I guess it didn't come out how Marcel wanted. Well, alright, so part of it was also because we ran out of a specific reducer that was for the acrylic enamel, because acrylic enamel is really old paint.
And it's
So-
not supposed to be in California anymore.
Yeah, so it was really hard finding reducers. So I guess like a lacquer thinner was a substitute, but it kind of ruined the paint, so it didn't come out how it was supposed to. So that was one reason. So Marcel signed down the whole car again, and he bought
Actual paint.
actual.
Lesson learned, guys. Don't buy any paint off the internet.
No more
It's
eBay
trash,
stuff. No more eBay stuff.
Hey, it wasn't technically eBay.
2018, we glowing up.
But I mean, honestly, it would have came out like good if I didn't run out of materials. That was a problem.
Yeah, because you said that side was good, and that
That side
side.
was so good, and
I'm
then
saying no
I wasted
eBay
like
stuff.
half the paint trying to mix the ratio and stuff.
Let's say no eBay stuff, but that's where my friend.
Alright, so the whole car is pretty much sanded down again. I'm gonna run to the store right now, get some drinks. Jesse and Joseph left to go pick up Joseph's wheels because a lot of you guys were wondering like why the rears weren't on, but they were cracked and shit. So he got them fixed. He's picking them up right now. And yeah, sanding is done.
My keys.
Your keys? What did you do with them yesterday?
Yesterday. We probably should, huh?
I mean, I did a little bit of explaining. I don't know if you want to give
Okay,
the full breakdown.
Pretty much, the paint that I bought, it was okay. It came out good, but I ran out of materials. And since it's enamel acrylic, paint shops didn't sell that since like the 90s. So I ran out and then had to find something else to alternate the reducer that I was using. And it came out okay, but it didn't come out how I liked it, so I just sanded everything down, so I'm gonna repaint. Now I sanded this down, scuffed it so I can use this as a base coat. And then, yeah.
It's an expensive base coat.
Yep, $140 worth of base coat.
Hey,
Show them a new color though.
alright guys. So, I mean, it is a bummer, but you know, shit
Lesson
happens.
learned.
Yeah, lesson learned. But, coming back harder with this new paint. Oh.
Wait, let me get the flashlight. But yeah, honestly, the paint that I did, it was okay, but I didn't like it.
Uh-huh.
Like, it looked decent, but I know I'll be like not happy about it.
So it still has that sparkle, guys, and it's like a little bit darker, so.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick 'cause I just realized that the car will be dark purple and then the door jambs will be light purple, so it's pretty sick.
Yeah, so I mean, he's gonna do everything over besides the door jambs. So the door jambs are basically staying that color, so it's gonna be dope. A
The
little,
only best part of the car is the door jam.
a little two-tone. Let's show him the door jambs real quick.
Oh, I got paint done. Yeah.
Door jambs look fucking dope. So yeah, guys, the outside's gonna be a dark purple, and then when you open up the door, it's gonna be these light door jambs. So it's gonna look clean, but as you guys can probably tell, it's really windy. So the car's already sanded down and wiped off. So
Early tomorrow morning, get it painted. I'm gonna tape everything off again, throw it in the makeshift boot, and then it should be good from there.
yeah, guys. So yep. I don't know if I should add this to yesterday's video
You
or.
might as well. They're gonna be waiting for this for like. Is Marcel's car done yet?
Yeah, guys. So I was gonna. Yeah. So I'm gonna add this to the same video. So next video.
It's a whole video full of L's, man.
Next video is gonna be painting it, hopefully A1. and with some nice ass paint. So it's gonna be the next video, guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and definitely stick around if you want to see the new paint, because this is not it. This is not the paint, guys. Still gotta go down. It's gonna be dope. So yeah, stay tuned there, guys. Stay tuned. Are you good?
Huh?
You good, bro? You need some help?
I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Just making sure.